Inspire wildlife adventure play with the Jungle Rescue Base, 41,424. From scanning the forest with a drone to save stricken animals to helping in the clinic, kids will find lots of ways to play with this cool jungle treehouse playset. LEGO Friends is proud to support the work of National Geographic explorers. All bases covered. This fun set has broad appeal. Kids who love dramatic, creative play will love the animal rescue story, where LEGO friends Andrea, Mia, and Olivia and the elephants save a stranded sloth. Kids can show their caring side as they take the injured animal back to the jungle tree sanctuary. Budding scientists will love using Tech Kit in the solar-powered watchtower to keep the jungle creatures safe. Everyone's included. Introduce kids to the Jungle Rescue series. Creative fun playsets will help them feel they're one of the team. To make construction even more fun, download the LEGO Building Instructions app to access instructions plus where they can view their build digitally. LEGO Friends is proud to support the work of National Geographic explorers who use their creativity, curiosity, and passion to protect endangered species in our jungles, and help build a better world for all of us. Let animal mad kids embark on a LEGO Friends adventure as they help rescue the sloth from the forest and bring it back to their treehouse sanctuary with this Jungle Rescue Base, 41,424, playset. This treehouse playset includes 3 buildable mini doll figures, plus 2 elephant and 2 sloth figures. Cool accessories, such as toy walkie-talkies, animal rescue kit, and a robot drone, keep the play creative. This rescue station playset comprises a clinic and a watchtower connected by a rope bridge. The friends can speed to save a sloth stuck in a tree in the quad bike, while the hut gives them a place to hang out. Kids aged 8+ will find this rescue station building set a satisfyingly stretching construction challenge. It makes a top holiday gift or birthday present for kids who love looking after and playing with animals. The treehouse measures over 28 centimeters, high and 31 centimeters wide and looks great on display. Kids can expand the play by adding any other LEGO bricks, since all LEGO toys are compatible. No batteries are needed to fire up the exciting jungle action. The sloth's tree catches light by way of a manual push function. That means the rescue role play can start as soon as the build's complete. This awesome jungle rescue toy comes with step-by-step instructions. To boost the build fun, download the LEGO Building Instructions app to access the intuitive instructions plus so kids can zoom, rotate, and view their build. LEGO Friends sets meet the highest industry standards, plus the LEGO Group's own rigorous quality criteria, so they are consistent, compatible, and connect and pull apart easily. It's been that way since 1958. As well as meeting the highest global safety and quality standards, LEGO building toys are tested to the max by the LEGO Group so you can be certain you've bought a playset that is safe for kids to use.